Hello everyone, this is Mike. Welcome to my channel, Mike the Tech Savvy. You may have already guessed that in front of me I have a Xiaomi product that I just got. It's fresh out of the oven. The time has come for me to replace my trustworthy Xiaomi Smart Band 5. And yes, inside this bag I have a Xiaomi Smart Band 6, which I will be unboxing in this video. Of course, a very detailed, honest review will definitely come up soon enough. So let's get started. We have a pretty typical box, very similar to what we had for the Smart Band 5. Pretty interesting font here, very shiny. Everything looks really nice. This is very shiny as well, the shape of the Smart Band 6. I'm guessing that the 6th of April is the launch date. I'm not really sure, but I do believe so. We do have some functions here on the right side of the box, so up to 30 workout modes data, tracking and automatic workout detection, water resistant, reliable sleep and magnetic charging. Some other specs here on the left, including the most important change, which is a larger full display, and secondary important change, the SpO2 measurement, the blood oxygen saturation monitoring. On the back here we have some, very typical specs. I will give you a look and you can pause the video here if you want to see everything in more detail. This is the European variant, so this is probably worth noting. It's not the Chinese version. Let's open it up. My trustworthy Victorinox Swiss Army knife has helped me once again. Let's put everything aside. So here we have the package, pretty Spartan, just like it was for the 5th variant, the one that I have on my wrist right now. We have the tracker here in a plastic bag. We have here the charging cable, I suppose. Indeed, this is the charging cable, very similar if not identical to what we had on the Smart Band 5. And here I guess we have some documentation. Let's see how it opens up on the side. Okay. This is a very, very thick user manual, but I can see that it has a lot of languages. So yeah, I do have some typical information, how to install it, how to remove it from the strap, how to change the strap, how to wear it, how to achieve optimal performance, how to connect to the app, and so forth. I'm already a veteran, given that I have had all the variants before, and I won't be reading anything. But it's a pretty typical and straightforward manual. If you've played with a previous version of the Mi Smart Band, as it's called right now, you definitely won't have any issues adapting to it. Let's take a look at the band itself. Let's remove it from the plastic box. Well, the plastic packaging is not really a box. Okay, you do have some juice, right? Looks like it doesn't have any juice, which is kind of a shame. Let me just try and bring a power brick so we can give it a quick charge and see it booting up. And I'm back with a power brick and with the charging cable connected to it. Let's see if now at least it will wake up. And yes, it's DOA, as you can see right here. Let me try and focus. 0% battery. So I'm guessing we can't really connect it, but I may as well give it a try. I have my trustworthy Pixel device here, which I'll try to use to add another smart band, but given that the strap doesn't really tell me that it's ready to connect, I guess it won't actually work, or it will. Yes, it has worked. Pair with phone, paired successfully. Activate new device. Activate, and this means that my Smart Band 5 will be stopped. Not good, but yeah, let's do it. I do hope that it will at least keep my steps that I recorded today. If it won't, I'll be, pretty sad. Okay, so basically it will restore the band settings that I had on the Smart Band 5 on this 6. Let's see if this is the case. Anyway, this is a short unboxing video, so don't expect any details, but we definitely can take a look. So we have a larger display, wearable blood oxygen detection monitor, 30 types of workouts. So these are the highlights, you may say. Okay, so it probably has some updates ready, but they will only start after the band is charged to more than 10%. Let's try and remove the charge for a second so I can take a look. Okay, it looks pretty nice. Quite similar to the previous one, but you do have a full display right now, which is something much nicer. And a different type of, let's say, navigation, because now you don't have the button anymore. Let's put it on the wrist. The first thing that I'll be doing is, well, reversing the direction of this strap, because I'm wearing it on my right wrist, and this is the method that I find to be more comfortable for me. The strap is pretty soft, well, very similar to what we had with the 5, not really noticeable, honestly. Yeah, looks nice, feels nice on the wrist. And you do have this large display, very, very nice. And we do have the blood oxygen saturation as well. Now let's see what happened with my steps. Okay, so now I don't have any steps. Very unusual, and I don't really understand, but I guess these are the steps that are measured with this wristband. If you would go into history, you would see the steps monitored with all wristbands that I have. So yeah, this was a quick look at the Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 6. You can see that it's pretty nice. A decent update on the last version, on the Mi Smart Band 5 that I've used for the last year. More videos will definitely come up on this wristband, including some comparison videos, a full honest review on it, and probably some extra videos. Let's see. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please press the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more similar videos in the future, also press the subscribe button, which will be displayed right here in the bottom left part. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. In the video description below, you'll always find the links to my social media and to my Patreon accounts. This was Mike the Tech Savvy. Thank you so much once again for watching. Wish you a great day. Stay safe, guys. Bye.